At Morgan Auto Group, we want to make sure your service experience is as transparent as possible. That's why we send virtual multi-inspections with every service. Hi, thanks for choosing Morgan Auto Group. I'm the service tech that will be performing your multi-inspection today. That means I'll be giving you an in-depth review of your car's major systems. Basically letting you know what looks good, what may need work in the future, and what needs taken care of immediately. Starting with the exterior components, I'll check your lights and wipers to make sure they're operating efficiently. Then I'll inspect the engine bay to check the battery, fluids, belt, and filters. Next, we'll lift your vehicle so we can examine the other important parts that are typically harder to see. That includes checking tire and brake conditions, examining the suspension and axles, and taking a more in-depth look at your engine and transmission. Once the video inspection is complete, we'll text you a link where you can watch it back and decide which repairs or maintenance you'd like to move forward with. And that's it. It's a clear, convenient, and personalized way to learn everything about the state of your vehicle in just a few minutes. For a thorough service experience that's easy to understand, choose service with Morgan Auto Group today. When you make it Morgan, we make it happen.